Hey Gary, my name is Miguel Ogas. For some context, I work in full-time ministry. I run a network of churches for my lead pastor where I'm traveling about twice a month, and you have inspired me to give my wife my laptop computer so I do all of my business full-time through the phone. I believe everything you're saying about the future of the cell phone, so I just want to figure out how to do it right. So my question to you is this: what are some tips, tricks, apps, any type of hustle advice you can give to somebody who wants to run a network, run a business completely 100% through the phone, no longer using a laptop? Thank you for all you do. Appreciate you.
Have you seen the Google phone?
The Pixel?
The Pixel?
I haven't seen it.
It's amazing.
Do you have it?
I have two of them, yeah.
And so what, have you made the jump to phone
100%.
only?
100%.
You have no laptop?
No, I
You have
rarely
one.
use I have a laptop, which I'm like, if I have to download a bunch of, like right now I'm downloading a bunch of
Google has
photos.
such a great suite of products.
It's amazing.
They've made, I assume, docs and mail and calendar.
It's amazing.
Yeah. So
It's like intuitive and smart, and it's like, you know, you'll have an appointment and it's like, would you like to add this to your contact book? It's like improving itself the whole time.
such a miss by Microsoft. I thought 2 years ago.
I had that phone. I love that phone.
I thought Microsoft, when it's dead in the cell phone world, I thought they should have come out with a Microsoft phone that was built to be, you know, the business engine that it sounds Google has executed. From my standpoint, there's only one smart hack. I can talk all about everything, different apps. Here's the reason it works for me. Anything that isn't great on the phone, you scale through another human being. If you're able to afford an admin, or use some AI assistance and things of that nature, I don't write, as my team will tell you, I don't write any, like my emails are one word, or like an emoji. Like I do so little actual work that if you're working in Excel sheets and Word and PowerPoints and these things, it may be a little trickier. As somebody who doesn't, as somebody who has like the team send, here's the proposal, can you approve it? And as soon as I get it, I write approved, and they're like, you didn't open it. We can see that you didn't open it. I said approved, motherfucker. You know, and so I think you have to know yourself, but I think the human element of having an admin or somebody else to close the shortcoming, but I think living in a mobile only environment.
Sometimes I try to add a few words because I'm the same way. I'm like, thank you, approved, good, great. And they're like, I just wrote a treatise. And I'm like, well, maybe you could slim it down a little bit.
It's the biggest thing. It's the biggest inside joke here.
Like,
People write 7 paragraphs, and I write back the thumbs up emoji. And they're like,
Can I get a little more feedback here?
Something. I worked on this.